In the following human pedigree, the filled simples represent the affected individuals. You have to identify the type of given pedigree from the given options. So, from the pedigree given here, we could find out that both male and female are affected in the pedigree. So, it suggests an autosomal inheritance. That means the trait is located on one of the non-sex chromosomes, that is autosomes. So, option A and C are incorrect answers. Now, coming to autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive. In all case of autosomal dominant trait, it typically appear in every generation. There is no skipping of generation and only one copy of the dominant allele is needed for the trait to be expressed. That is either heterozygous genotype or homozygous dominant genotype. Now, there are no carriers in autosomal dominant inheritance. An affected person will show the trait. Now, coming to autosomal recessive trait, it can skip generation. That means an affected child can be born to unaffected parents if both parents are carriers of the recessive allele. So, if two unaffected parents have a child who is affected by the trait, this suggests that both parents are carriers. That means they are heterozygous. So here in the diagram we can see that an affected child is born to unaffected parents. So here the trait is skipping generation. So that means this is an example for autosomal recessive trait, not autosomal dominant. So the answer is option D.